Hey, what's going on? It's Andre. Can you make money on TikTok? I'm sure you probably heard a lot of people talking about TikTok since 2019. And I'm going to be very brutally honest with you. At first, I did not want to go on there because I realized that, anything that's new, people always have negative things to say. And I was one of them. So, can you make money on TikTok? Yes, you can. Can you create videos and make a ton of money? Yes, you can. It doesn't matter what niche that you're in, you can go into it. So, I'm going to share with you some results. I'm also going to show you that I've joined, let's say, roughly around 30 days, 28 days ago. And I'm just going to show you, hang on one second. I'm going to show you my TikTok. There it is right there. This thing is on fire. So I create videos. So it doesn't matter what niche that you're in. If you're into the make money online niche, or you want to grow your business, network marketing, or you just want to be an entrepreneur, you can make money on TikTok. And I'm going to share with you some of the results that some of my team members are also getting. And I'm also going to show you how you can go out there and crush it, and how you can get started going viral and make money from TikTok video. So yes, that's still the app that people are dancing, making funny videos and all that stuff. Yes, you can crush it. You can make money. So what happened is there's so many buzz and there's so many hype because everybody's at home. Everybody's home sitting down. They got nothing else to do. So what they do, they create the app, they go on there, and then they just browse around. The good thing about TikTok is they share your videos with a lot of people, and if people engage on it, they will share it with more people. So it's by far an easy way to go viral on this platform because you could create a video and it just takes off right away. So you don't have to worry about thinking of exactly what to create and how to create content. You can look and see what other people are doing. Most people do what they call like a duet, where they have their video and then they're doing someone else's video over here. So tons of ways. So right over here, as you can see, there's a trend on TikTok. I went onto Google Trend just to see how it's going, and you could see there was absolutely no hype until around December. Then, of course, from December till now, currently shooting this video, it keeps going up. And the good thing about it, it's very engaging. People like to laugh, people like to have fun, but there is a percentage of people that are looking for ways how to make money online. There's people trying to find ways how to, make their life a little better. And I'm going to show you some results that people are getting. Like this guy right here already, he joined TikTok and already hit like 1.3 views on his videos. He's getting sales, he's getting leads daily, and he's just putting out content. This guy right here was, he's been involved into the network space for since 2020, and he started this challenge 5 days ago. He had 50 followers, and then today, like one day, he got over 5,000 like people following him, liking his stuff. So if you scroll up here, I'm excited. I got 2 leads from TikTok. Here are some of the results. Like these guys, they are actually crushing it right now. Jonathan Matoya, he's on TikTok, and he's getting a lot of leads, a lot of sales, and people are signing up. And he's growing his email list. So it doesn't matter if you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, you want to do Shopify, you want to do drop shipping, anything SEO, create a channel and start today, because this thing is not going to go away for a long time. People love it. People are engaging. Mark, he made $1,000, a few weeks just by being on the platform. So this is the results that people are posting. They're posting the result. This is crazy results. 34,000 views. I got 437 followers. So here's a good thing. You don't need a lot of followers on TikTok or just like on YouTube. YouTube or Instagram just to get leads and sales. The good thing about this platform, they make the average person be seen, be heard, because they're going to show your content with other people and it's just going to blow up. So that's why there's so many people become celebrities overnight from TikTok. They make one video, boom, they get 100,000 followers within weeks or less. So people are they're gravitating to that platform because it's so much better. It's easier. If you don't have a TikTok account right now, I highly recommend go sign up for it right now. And if you want to, if you want to get some training on how to make money online, how to actually maximize your results, I'm gonna leave a link down below. And this is a TikTok video, right? This is a challenge that you can take. You can take the challenge. It's only $1 for the challenge, and you can sign up for it. Get some more insights of exactly what's going to happen with this. Go out there, crush it, start your business, get a lot of leads and a lot of sales. And right after this, I'm going to be making another video. I'm just being real, because if you look at it, right, see, my notification goes nuts. And I have Instagram, I got here on YouTube, I got Facebook, but man, TikTok is on fire right now. So check out the link in the description. It's only $1. You want to sign up, you can get all the bonuses and everything. So hop on board. I'm going to leave a link. If you want to get on this, I highly recommend you start today. So get started, sign up for this TikTok training, start getting some leads and sales in your business, and it's going to be a good way to do marketing. So check out the link, and I'll catch you on the inside. Peace.